To stay relevant today, learning has to keep pace with fast-evolving medicine and technology. To make a significant impact on care outcomes, constant learning and updating skills of the healthcare professional for safe practice is important. With a world-class facility located in the heart of bustling Mumbai, India, Institute of Medical and Minimal Access Surgery Training is a center of learning excellence for healthcare professionals of today.
What we do is we skill the people, we build confidence, we teach them proper techniques, and we help them into applying these techniques in their clinical practice.
IMMAST is the first of its kind standalone training facility in the Indian subcontinent to open its doors to learners from all over the globe for upgrading their skills with simulation-based hands-on learning.
It's a very comprehensive program that goes all the way from lectures to models and dissections, and offers a lot of skill training so that you have good hand-eye coordination, and allows us to learn the techniques of surgery in a very systematic way.
IMMAST helps surgeons, doctors and other healthcare professionals adopt best practices by creating an immersive learning environment that mimics real-life clinical or surgical settings.
We start with a didactic session, we move on to virtual reality simulators where they actually do hands-on, understand the technique. From there they move on to a physical simulator, and from there they move on to what is very, very unique about our center, that is the tissue models.
And each course is specially crafted to ensure that it is procedural related. There is very, very little emphasis on theory, but there is more emphasis on practical application of a particular procedure.
The best way to learn is on the mannequins, where you have a lot of time in hand and then you get a perfect level of skills, a very good eye and hand coordination, and then you can do it like a pro on the patient.
This course has really boosted my confidence. I feel now pretty much confident in starting my own suit, my own setup, where I can start practicing this.
IMMAST state-of-the-art labs fitted with best-in-class equipment and cutting-edge technology offer a unique experience of simulation-based learning to each trainee. Virtual reality simulators, physical simulators and one-of-a-kind indigenously developed biological simulators offer each trainee the opportunity for repeated hands-on practice.
I think the biggest strength of IMMAST is creating more lifelike models.
The training here is lifelike as much as it can be on models which are created to mimic the human model as best as possible.
Our models are bleeding, breathing tissue models which are developed in-house by our own team, which are unique and cannot be found anywhere in any other training institution in the world.
So when you are actually operating on the animal model with state-of-the-art camera and all devices, you get a real-time feel of the tissue.
The models that are here are actually mimicking what you find inside. So it's not theoretical that you listen to some lectures and come and do some dissections. You actually see ovariances, you actually see a ureter which is adherent, you actually see a bowel.
The field is so live that they feel they're actually operating on the human body. And the surgical improvement is so much that they realize within a few months that they have gone from one level to really a high level in a matter of few months.
The faculty take the delegates by hand and guide them from the very basic steps, that is the A of the surgery, to the more advanced steps, which is the Z of surgery.
Now all these things are from simple to difficult, and we make everything simple. Once you make everything simple, it's easy to do.
There is also a library for you to refer to. Enough reading material on the subjects which are taught at the course is made available to the students before the workshop, and later on they can refer to it as a member of the alumni.
Our center started as a not-for-commerce initiative, completely run by doctors for doctors. We definitely are focusing on innovations, technology. Any gap in the healthcare learning space, training space, we are open to taking up that challenge.
What better place to learn than IMMAST, which is always ready. Whenever there's a challenge, IMMAST has an answer to it. Every day people are thinking of how to innovate and how to make all the courses that we do as close to life as possible.
At IMMAST, we're going where no one has gone before. Our quest continues to pass on excellence through innovation that improves patient care outcomes and creates safer healthcare environments.